and the grand total comes out to, guys, before this video starts, I got a gym membership yesterday at Planet Fitness, and let's just say I went a little bit too hard. I can't really like rotate my elbow as far as it needs to go, so I've got like a brace on right now, and I also took some Advil, but we're going hard for 2022, and we're back at it with another video, so thank you for being here. What's going on, everybody? It's KZ here, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views on a YouTube video. Just to give you a little bit of a backstory, some of you might have been subscribed to me for this long, but I've been on YouTube for literally like since 2009, which is a crazy amount of time. I'm 28 years old, and when I started making YouTube videos, I was literally like, I don't know, 13, 14, and having the best time ever. So I've been on the platform for a long time. I will say when I was 13, 14 years old, that's really when I was kind of hitting a peak, and I was getting a ton of views, and then I kind of just fell off the map because I quit making YouTube videos for the longest time ever. But now in 2022, we are back stronger than ever. So I'm going to walk you through how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views on YouTube. Just so you know, in order to get paid on your YouTube views, you need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. I have been a YouTube partner for a long time. I actually wasn't a partner for a few years. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe I wasn't uploading that much and my views were going down, but I actually just got back into the YouTube Partner Program, which is super awesome. So I'm gonna hop on my computer right here, and we're gonna kind of walk through just the analytics side of things and how this payout happened. So let's get to it. So as you can see right here, this video of me getting hit in the head by a scooter has 1,200,686 views, and this video was uploaded on May 1st of 2010. If any of you are doing, action sports or things like that, highly recommend you wearing a helmet, because honestly, I got lucky right here. It barely skinned my head. But let's take a look at the analytics on the video and dive right in. So as you can see here in your YouTube studio, it's really cool to see your YouTube analytics. So this video is not getting a ton of traffic anymore, but in the last 28 days, it has gotten 30 views. Last 24 hours, shout out those 2 people who watched it. So if we were to go right here, we're gonna click since uploaded, which is lifetime. And so we can see 1.2 million views. It's had 146 watch time hours. I've gained 121 subscribers, and the grand total comes out to $1,197. Wow, that's actually a good amount of money just for uploading a short clip of me getting hit in the head by a scooter. But as you can see right here, there was a massive spike, and then there was this huge drop off. I want to say that this huge drop off happened primarily because I no longer was a YouTube partner for a large majority of this time. I haven't remonetized the video. This is just strictly what I'm currently seeing. But let's dive into this. Some of you might be thinking, hey, a million views, only $1,197, and you are exactly right. Most people that upload videos that have this amount of views will be getting paid out more, and I will explain to you why. So as we enter this revenue tab, there's going to be 2 key areas that you want to pay attention to on your videos. It's going to be RPM and playback based CPM. So RPM is going to be defined as the revenue per mile, and it tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. But one category when you upload your videos that you really want to look at if you're curious about how much revenue you'll be making is going to be this playback based CPM. So you see $2.19, and this is going to tell you effectively how much playback costs per mile, and this is going to let you know how much advertisers are paying per 1,000 views. So this is actually fairly low in this niche, right? This is the action sports niche. I'm just riding my scooter. So advertisers are fairly, not paying as much money because there is a ton of competition out there. However, if you're curious on how you could make more money for less views, that's going to be in the finance niche, right? right? That's going to be e-commerce, business, right? How to earn money, things like that, because advertisers are making more money and they're also trying to get in front of more people. And when you're in those niches, like I just mentioned, that's going to be advertisers' ability to pay more. So I've actually seen a CPM as high as over $20, $30, which is absolutely crazy. So that's why a lot of content creators, they might not have the most subscribers or the most viewers, but they can be creating content that is generating them a lot more revenue. So yeah, all in all, how do I feel about making $1,197 from this YouTube video? Honestly, I feel pretty happy. I was not making this video at the time to make any sort of income. I essentially just, uploaded this on YouTube because I wanted people to see it, and it did fairly well. It's one of my videos on my channel with over 1 million views. However, for those of you watching that are really interested on getting your views up or creating different tags in your videos to create more searchable content, there's one product and tool that I highly recommend that I've been leveraging a lot more recently as I've been coming back onto YouTube, and it has allowed for me to have my channel and my videos search more frequently, which allows new opportunities for new viewers. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what I'm using, and that tool is called TubeBuddy. So let me give you an example. So if we were to go on YouTube and type in on the search for how to make money online, as I mentioned, this is going to be having a higher RPM, so advertisers are paying a lot more for this term. So if we were to go from right here and click search, what TubeBuddy is going to do is it provides you this search explorer, right? So it allows for you to see the search volume. We see that a lot of people are searching this. We have 2.13 million searches per month. Competition, we've got it in the orange. And so overall, unweighted, we see that it is very good. So TubeBuddy is telling us there's a decent amount of competition, but this keyword is searched so often, it's worth targeting. So something that's really unique about this search term and leveraging TubeBuddy is that as you go over here, you can see common video tags, things that people are leveraging. But not only that, you can go to people's specific videos and it's going to show you right here every single tag that they are leveraging for their video. So we can see that this guy, Mike, November 6, 2021, he has 170,000 views on this video. We can see right here, these are all of the tags that he used, and you can literally just copy these tags and put them as you upload your video. So what this is going to do for you is it's going to allow YouTube to know that you are specifically targeting a keyword. Then it can optimize that video to the audience that you are looking to speak to. So I know that's a lot, but I definitely recommend using TubeBuddy. It has really helped me so much on creating content because it is awesome to create vlogs and it's awesome to create things that you're super passionate about, but taking a deeper level and being educated about what it is you can do with YouTube and show up more often, which is what you want, is a great way to do this. So I'm going to leave my link below so you can download TubeBuddy. It is free. I definitely encourage, there's like a super cheap version that you can get with TubeBuddy. I'm actually using like the $60, $70 a month, but that link will be in the description for you to try it out. It is a Google Chrome extension and I literally use it every single day. So as we wrap up this video, I hope you found some value and just learning a little bit about how YouTube works as a whole. Over 12 years ago, I would have no idea what CPM or RPM means or how advertisers are putting their ads on specific videos, but this has really taught me a lot and I'm excited to continue to move forward, make the content that I love to make, but also be very educated and smart about the decisions when it comes to the content that I'm uploading. So if you enjoyed this video and found some value from it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you thought that amount that I received for 1 million views was high or low. Would love to hear your thoughts on that. And as always, I just recently uploaded some brand new merchandise on the Wavy store, so that will be linked below. A lot of awesome things on the way, uploading like crazy. We're about to make 2022 our year. Hope you have an amazing day. Take care and keep it wavy. See y'all. It's so easy in life to be hard on yourself, especially when there's this one thing that you want to accomplish. You think about it all the time. You wake up, you go to bed, you put in so many hours, and you might not be seeing the results that you feel like you deserve. But that doesn't necessarily mean you're wasting your time. It just means that you're building the blocks for that success that is going to be coming your way. So don't feel like you're wasting your time, because you're not. You'll get to exactly where you need to be at the exact right time it's supposed to happen. You got this.